top 10 best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. Want to go for long-term investments? Here are the top 10 cryptocurrencies you can buy and hold for 2022. One cannot deny the fact that the cryptocurrency market is one of the most volatile, yet fast-moving markets. The year 2021 has been one of a kind for cryptocurrencies for the sole reason that the cryptocurrency market witnessed a roller coaster ride. Some cryptocurrencies made unfathomable gains, whereas some busted massively. Taking such volatility into account, what 2022 has in store for these digital currencies is something that all the investors are looking forward to. On that note, have a look at the top 10 best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. Before putting your hard-earned money into cryptocurrency, you may want to consider these tips. 1. Invest with a strategy. You've probably heard of the phrase, "failing to plan is planning to fail." This holds true when it comes to investing. Having a strategy that works well with your investing goals is the first step toward cutting down losses. 2. Have a risk management strategy. Set a limit on how much you invest in a token and stick to it. Using stop losses to minimize your losses is also a great way to manage your risk. Additionally, don't invest in crypto with money you cannot afford to lose. 3. Diversify your portfolio. Investing in just a single crypto in this highly volatile market is not a good idea. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different tokens will reduce overexposure if one coin, or more, plummets in value. 4. The secret is long-term. Prices tend to fall and rise dramatically on a regular basis. Avoid panic selling after a fall in prices within a short period. Instead, hold your investments in the market for long periods to attain the best return on investment. Please watch to the end of this video as we will discuss 10 cryptocurrencies you can buy and hold for 2022. But before we begin, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel if you like receiving useful information about finance. 1. Bitcoin. The king of all cryptocurrencies, ruling the entire crypto market. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency created in 2009 by an anonymous group under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. Like most cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin runs on a blockchain, which is a network of thousands of computers that verifies transactions in real time without interference from middlemen. It is the first choice of all crypto investors, and that makes it one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. 2. ETHEREUM. The ETHEREUM blockchain is an open-source public blockchain, and it has enabled the end user to run a custom code with its smart contract feature. ETHEREUM blockchain has its cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether is the fuel of the network that uses it in the form of payment or execution fees of any transaction. The blockchain intentionally uses cryptocurrency to avoid wasteful code and remain chain healthy. 3. LITECOIN. The third coin on the list is almost identical to Bitcoin, but for some minor changes. It's an open source and peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. Also, it can be used as a script-based consensus network that makes it different from Bitcoin's mechanism. It is one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. 4. Cardano. Cardano is touted as the environmentally friendly cryptocurrency as it aims to avoid the energy-intensive parts of the mining process seen with Bitcoin. It is the first large cryptocurrency that is based on the proof-of-stake model. This model allows owners to stake coins and create their own validator nodes. 5. Solana. Developed to help power decentralized finance, DeFi uses decentralized apps, DApps, and smart contracts. Solana runs on a unique hybrid proof-of-stake and proof-of-history mechanisms that help it process transactions quickly and securely. SOL, Solana's native token, powers the platform. 6. POLKADOT. POLKADOT is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the crypto market. The POLKADOT network offers low fees and higher speeds than other cryptocurrencies, which makes it a #1 choice for crypto investors. Polkadot is perhaps the best of the rest when it comes to scalability. 7. Binance Coin. Binance Coin is a product of the Binance exchange. Binance is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in terms of the trading volume. It supports more than 100 cryptocurrencies to trade. BNB Coin is used to perform certain operations over the Binance exchange, such as exchange fees, withdrawal fees, and listing fees. The Binance team is providing a discount on fees if the user uses BNB Coin to pay the fees. 8. Bitcoin Cash. This coin emerged when the Bitcoin community split in 2017 over the direction it should take. Bitcoin Cash may have a lower exchange value than its cousin Bitcoin, but it offers faster transaction speeds at a lower fee. It is one of the best long-term cryptocurrencies to buy and hold in 2022. 9. DOGECOIN DOGE. Originally created as a joke after the run-up in Bitcoin, DOGECOIN takes its name from an internet meme featuring a Shiba Inu dog. Unlike many digital currencies limiting the number of coins in existence, DOGECOIN has unlimited issuance. It can be used for payments or sending money. 10. Stellar. Stellar is a decentralized protocol based on open-source code to transfer digital currency to fiat money domestically and across borders. Like other cryptocurrencies, it operates using blockchain technology. Stellar is one of the best-performing altcoins in the last 5 years with a market cap of over $1 billion. Bottom line. The cryptocurrency market is a wild west, although it appears as if the US government is set to take a more active role in overseeing the crypto space. So those speculating in these digital assets should not put in more money than they can afford to lose. Volatility can be intense, with crypto assets fluctuating significantly even in a single day. And individual investors can be trading against highly sophisticated players, making it a fraud experience for novices. That's it for today. Let us know in the comments if you know any best cryptocurrency for investing in 2022. And if you found today's video informative, please give us a like. We would also appreciate if you took a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when we release future videos. Thanks for watching.